guys, oh. Yung tour. Yung may yellow umbrella. Sila yung magko-conduct ng Harry Potter tour. So we're just waiting for the time. Naantay pa yung iba. So yung tour is available in English and Spanish. Siyempre tayo sa English sasama. Ayan. Antay lang natin kasi 2 o'clock talaga yung tour eh. Ganda diba? Uy, nangyayon ko na. Sorry guys. Anyways, ayan. Antay lang tayo. Tapos start na.
Where they go? I'm too cool. Shut up. No, you're not. You've signed up for a Harry Potter tour willingly. We're all nerds together. To watch you dual wield a hobby horse and a phone, England. It's quite impressive, actually. You're not going to send a photo of the horse next to the handprints.
Is it on Instagram?
Yeah? Why did you? Now, until I started this job, I considered 3 of these names household names. I thought that everyone across the world knew who 3 of these people are. And then I started this job and I got violently humbled when I realised that is not the case. So, first person to win an Edinburgh Award was actually a guy called Ian Rankin. Does anyone recognise him? Ian Rankin. Famous writer, and writer of the Inspector Reaper series, if you're into stabby, horrible crimes. No, it's grim. My dad kept Ian Rankin's That's great. Make sure everyone sees what I'm going. We have the tall American. down and add it to the series. There's a fine line though between her coming in 30 odd years ago and people like me coming in 30 years later and going, do you think that name's like that? Because it's probably not. I point out the ones that are either
So ito yung school na nag-inspire sa Hogwarts. It's a private school here in Edinburgh.
Is that where we're going?
We'll be going down the way, but we'll be standing here for a week. Twice as long as other folks, which is awfully handy. Spent same muckle time keeping near the game fences and even at the neighbours. Boring. One of my colleagues went to school, that school, with JK Rowling's son. That tour guide knows the real Mad-Eye Moody. The real Mad-Eye Moody had been fighting in Afghanistan and Iraq and had lost his eye. He used to wind up the young kids by spinning.
Butterscotch beer. So meron palang The Elephant House Magical Cafe dito. Butterscotch beer. Sit-in or take away. Parang gusto ko yun ah. So hindi ito yung original ah. Nakita natin. Yan, hindi yan yung original na Elephant House kung saan nagsulat si JK Rowling. So nandun siya. Nasunog siya noong 2021. So this is technically a different shop. Pero ayun. Known around the world. Oh, ito oh. The Enchanted Galaxy. Pasukin natin guys. Pasok tayo sa mga store. Pasok tayo para makita natin yung mga merch. At maubos yung pera. Hindi, joke lang.
We have another book.
Yeah, we do.
Ng pila. There's a line. Haban pila. Yan tayo punta doon. Haba ng pila. So, si mommy and si ate ay nasa Jollibee. Nagme-merienda. So, puntahan natin sila. Saan ba tayo? So, punta tayo doon. Anyways, ayun.